What's the meaning of bosun? Bosun. Bosun.
Bosun. Bosun. The term bosun, or bosun, refers to an officer on a ship responsible for the maintenance and care of the vessel's hull, rigging, anchors, cables, sails, and boats. They are also in charge of the crew members assigned to these tasks. The word derives from the Old English boatswain, meaning boatswain or boat servant. In modern usage, the term is often used in nautical contexts to refer to someone who is skilled in rigging and knot tying. In general, a bosun plays an essential role in ensuring the smooth operation and safety of a ship at sea.